Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to continue on with our SQLite. And now, so we've created a database, created a table. Now we need to learn how to insert information to that table. So, alright, this is literally where we left off last time. So we're going to rerun this, and we're going to get an error, and we'll deal with the error later. We're going to cheat and just omit it right now. So, all right. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We build on topics, and we continue on. So here we go. So we run this, and we get an error, and it says table has already exists. Oh, okay. So we're just going to comment this out just for now. Kind of cheat, and then we'll do two ways to handle this later. So let's just comment out this code. But if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We have videos coming out all the time. So all right, now we need to see how to. So we're going to be writing. So when you are with a computer, you need a cursor, right? Okay, so we're going to use our cursor object, and it's going to be touching the database. So we're going to use the execute. And we're going to continue on with our three comments. And the way that this works is insert into, and what table are we using? Students. Now, you're going to be inserting values, right? So this is the way this looks. And actually, let's put this down here. All right, values. And since it's more than one, let's wrap these in. All right, and it is first name as text, and then last name. So John Smith, and wrap that, and then 1, 2, 3, and then there we go. Then you need to leave your connection commit and close. Then we run this, and it's there. Next time we touch on this, we are going to learn how to search, because right now I don't want to touch on more than this, because there are a lot of ways that you can pull things down, and we need to talk about all of them, and it can be overwhelming. So this is all we're going to do today. We are going to just learn more about the retrieving. This is just inserting. So insert is a keyword in SQL, into keyword, and values are keywords. And this is the way the statement is written, because I don't want these to be blurred. So all right, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below. A couple requests a few days ago were absolutely awesome. A lot of great feedback from that, so keep them coming. You guys are awesome. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.